Welcome to Unit 4, Lesson 1, Properties of Exponents Practice Problems. Okay, find the value of each variable that makes the equation true. So again, practicing our exponent laws. Same base, we add the exponents. Equals A, and 8 equals A. A is 8. When we divide the same base, subtract the exponents. 4 minus b equals -2. Subtract 4 on both sides. Negative b equals -6. We're subtracting. Now, this means -1 times b. So, in order to get rid of a -1, we divide by -1 on both sides. And b is equal to +6. Okay, so C, 1 over 64. So 64 is 8 squared. So that's 1 over 8 squared. And we know the negative exponent is negative. So C equals -2. Okay, it's the same base multiplied. So what we're going to do is add the exponents. -2 plus 5 plus -3 gives us 0. 7 to the 0 power is 1. Anything except 0 to the 0 power is 1. Also, we forgot the word all. D also works. Which expression is equal? So, same base divided. Subtract the exponents. This gives us 3 to the 6th, which is D. Okay. Find the value of each that makes the equation true. Same base. 6 minus m equals 9. Subtract 6 from both sides. -m equals 3. Divide by -1. Divide by -1. M equals -3. Different base. Now, it looks different, but 4 is 2 squared to the n power. So now, look at this one. This becomes 2n plus 3 because the n multiplies to the 2. We add 3 because we're adding the same base equals 11. Subtract 3. 2n equals 8. Divide by 2. N equals 4. All right, that was interesting. And 4 times 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Makes sense, all right? If you leave the base at 2. You have to make the base 2 because otherwise this would have to change to 8 if you wanted to apply the distribution rule. Okay. 4 times k equals -8. You're going to divide by 4 on both sides. K equals -2. Okay, evaluate the expression 6 cubed divided by 6 cubed. We know with the same base, we subtract the exponents, which gives us 6 to the 0. Anything that's not 0 to the 0 power is 1. Now explain how this helps to show 6 to the 0. Because any number divided by itself is 1. It doesn't matter what 6 cubed is. 6 cubed divided by 6 cubed equals 1 because anything divided by itself is 1. Now, if you use exponent rules, anything to the 0 power that's not 0 is 1.